it's Christmas, but I won't wait till next year to try and fill the distance. Counting all my problems, one by one they're falling down on me. One more day in Paris, paradise is not what it's made to be. No, just say you won't let go, 'cause my bones can't keep taking this. And I think you should know just how long I've been faking this. These walls are caving in, I could use some saving. Hold me till I fall apart, break me till I'm broken in. I've been lost and never found, so high broken down, 6 feet underneath the frozen ground. But is it too late to save me now? Staring out my window, waiting for the sun to come back around. All these things they're preaching, we wanna believe, but we don't know how. Just say you won't let go, 'cause my bones can't keep taking this. And I think you should know just how long I've been faking it. These walls are caving in, I could use some saving. Hold me till I fall apart, break me till I'm broken in, 'cause I've been lost.
Home sweet home.
Between the two.
Ok, cái lọc xanh. Chi vật mà cha chấm cá.
ปอมหรือไม่ปอมใช่เหรอ
Khơ nhỏ rồi đi.
ไหนอันนี้ตูเหี่ยวมัวดิสัวเฮียทอดไหม
Sắt ấy nó lở đài.
วิ่ง
Khơi nhạt. Hot tập ban đây.
อันนี้โซจูที่จะทำก็มาแค่มีอันนี้ทำมันอยู่บ่อยไม่ได้อ่ะ just low and nice อ๋อแค่เดียวแค่เดียวคนเดียวคนเดียว
Cold nips at your toe. Wrap up in winter clothes. Can you be mine? Can you be mine for Christmas? I've been good all year. So what I want to hear is you'll be mine for Christmas. Can you be mine for Christmas? Would you deny me this much? Oh, to be mine for Christmas. Where it goes, it always goes so fast. I hope your kisses last all year. So
Hey guys, so I just got back from the mall and I'm gonna do a haul that I just pick up my clothes that I ordered last week, and also I just got. So here is my shirt that I picked up today at Uniqlo. I'm really into polo shirt these days, and this is the full open short sleeve polo shirt, so it really great for like this weather. And since I'm going to Cambodia and Singapore next month, this will be what I will be wearing for the trip. So this is what I ordered last week from Uniqlo as well. This is the polo shirt, yes, but in gray. I got one in navy color and I just left it, so I have to order it again. I also got a plain black shirt, just like what I'm wearing right now, because this is just my favorite plain t-shirt in black as well. And last but not least is my Mickey Mouse shirt in blue color. I never have this color before. Okay, that's it for today's haul, and I also ordered more clothes from other websites that haven't delivered yet. Yeah, I think that's it. See you guys later.
Mr. Grinch, you're the king.
It's the end of the year. Everywhere on TV, couples and Christmas trees, gift wrapping and cheer. Just the worst time to be without some.
Alright guys, so I woke up this morning and this package was waiting for me. So I'm gonna do another quick haul for you guys. So I ordered this, I think a few weeks ago, from Boho Man, and I believe this is my shirt and some jewelry. So first thing first is my boxy dropped shoulder jumper. I thought it looks pretty cool in the picture, so I decided to get this one. So here is how it looks like. The material is pretty okay, but the sleeve is quite long for my hands, so I will try this one later. But the other thing that I got is, okay, my necklace, like 2 necklaces and 1 bracelet, I believe. I think I really like this jumper.
Và cô đặt tâm cho tề. Biết đó, ví dụ be my girlfriend on Christmas. Hai. Con quán nó à.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. And the sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, that's what we do. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas.
Tất cả mọi người đang lên cho bông hộp nhung mà đang lên đi con chỉ lực đi muối. Ngày nắng nát cứ ở bên thời diễn cho mỗi bông xoay nhóm hay là bông xoay nhóm. See you there.
Đây tour สำคัญ
Tell your vlog. Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're taking my brother-in-law to be here at the house. As you can see that he's very excited. He's taking all the videos everywhere he goes. So let's catch up in the next video. Bye. So let's catch up again in the next video.